In this video, we listed the 5 best robot vacuum under $500 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Roborock Q7 Max Plus. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus is an advanced robotic vacuum and mop system designed for efficiency and convenience, featuring remarkable smart mapping and automatic dust collection capabilities. With a powerful suction of 4,200 pascals, it effectively lifts debris and pet hair from various floor types, automatically adjusting its suction for deeper cleaning on carpets. This device operates for up to 180 minutes on a single charge, ensuring extensive coverage of up to 3,229 square feet, and includes a self-emptying dock that holds dust for up to 7 weeks for hands-free cleaning. The Q7 Max Plus combines a 470 ml dustbin and a 350 ml water tank for enhanced cleaning capacity, while its innovative PreciSense LiDAR navigation technology enables precise mapping and cleaning route tracking. Additional features like an all-rubber brush designed to resist hair tangles, customizable water flow levels, and multiple control options, including app, voice, and button control, make it an ideal choice for families seeking a powerful and intelligent cleaning solution. Number 2. Shark AV2501AE Vacuum. The Shark AV2501AE is a highly efficient robotic vacuum designed to tackle various cleaning challenges within the home. Featuring advanced LiDAR navigation and matrix clean navigation, it systematically maps and cleans your space, ensuring no spots are missed while adapting to obstacles both day and night. With its impressive suction power, this bagless vacuum is ideal for any floor type, effortlessly removing dirt, debris, and pet hair. The self-emptying base holds up to 60 days worth of debris, complemented by a true HEPA filtration system that captures 99.97% of dust and allergens. Weighing 15.2 pounds and operating for up to 120 minutes per charge, this vacuum supports hands-free control through voice commands with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, making it an excellent choice for pet owners seeking deep cleaning solutions with minimal effort. Number 3. Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum. The Lefant M210P is a versatile and efficient robot vacuum designed for pet owners and various floor types, featuring advanced technologies that enhance its cleaning capabilities. With dimensions of 11-inch LX11, WX2.99H and a sleek champagne color, it boasts special features like edge cleaning, obstacle avoidance, and boost intellect technology that intelligently adjusts suction power based on the surface being cleaned. Its upgraded Free Move Technology 3.0 ensures it navigates around obstacles and avoids falls, while the 2,200 pascals suction power and dual-side brushes effectively pick up dust and pet hair without clogging. The vacuum offers a quiet operation suited for homes with babies and pets, enhanced auto-recharging efficiency, and supports multiple cleaning modes that can be easily controlled through an app or voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant. With a runtime of up to 120 minutes on hardwood floors, it also includes a 12-month warranty for product support, though it only connects to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks. Number 4. AIRROBO Robot Vacuum. The AIRROBO T10 is a versatile robotic vacuum designed for efficient cleaning on hard floors and low carpets. Featuring a long-lasting self-emptying system with a 3,300 ml dust bag that can hold up to 45 days worth of dirt, the T10 minimizes maintenance efforts. It boasts a powerful 2,700 pascals suction power, complemented by an automatic carpet boost feature for deep cleaning efficacy, particularly adept at tackling dirt, debris, and pet hair. Users can control the vacuum through the AIRROBO app, as well as integrate it with smart home devices like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for voice commands. Customizable cleaning schedules allow for tailored suction levels and mopping flows to meet diverse cleaning needs in different rooms. With a runtime of up to 250 minutes and a smart recharging capability, the AIRROBO T10 ensures comprehensive cleaning sessions, efficiently resuming work after recharging. Number 5. Airzeen Vacuum Cleaner. The Airzeen R7 robot vacuum cleaner is an innovative home cleaning solution designed for efficiency and ease of use. This sleek, black vacuum measures 12-inch L×12, W×3H and weighs just 4.4 pounds, making it ideal for navigating various surfaces, including wooden floors, hard floors, low-pile carpets, and ceramics. Its powerful suction capability of up to 3000 PA, coupled with a 600 ml oversized dust box, effectively captures dirt, dust, and pet hair while minimizing the frequency of emptying. Users can enjoy versatile cleaning options with 5 modes: automatic, spot, edge, timed, and manual, controlled through remote, app, or voice commands. The R7 features advanced capabilities such as variable suction control, scheduling, obstacle avoidance, and an anti-fall mechanism, ensuring an intelligent and automated cleaning experience. Additionally, it supports a mopping function with an optional 2-in-1 dustbox water tank. Backed by a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support, the Airzeen R7 is designed to make household cleaning a breeze, offering convenience and reliability to pet owners and busy households alike.